Okay, it started.
That sounds done made me off balance. I ain't got over it yet.
Yeah, they passed a law for these things this year. Just right before the 4th of July.
Oh. Oh, that one sparkled.
Oh, that one was amazing.
That one sparkled a long time.
I'm glad I started videotaping now.
That was
That one was beautiful.
That was. I like that one.
These are amazing.
Wow, I didn't know you got these over here.
I'd rather spend my money on these than a bunch of firecrackers.
Yeah.
What do you do? Just take them and unravel them?
Yeah, just have to look at it past the ravel, baby, so you don't pull the wick out of it.
Right, he's lighting another one.
Yes. Yes, yes.
He's lighting it. Lit.
It's lit. It's lit up here.
That one has some pretty color to it, didn't it?
That one had a lot of red.
Shrapnel. Ooh, smell like gunpowder.
Oh, yeah, gunpowder. My favorite smell at night.
One place of it might be tape. Yeah, you have to watch out or you'll pull it out of there. And
That's a unique smell of firework powder.
Look here. It'll loop through too.
I have never seen that close up and personal with these kind of fireworks, and they're amazing.
Because they're not allowed in Florida.
Yeah, exactly. They're not allowed in Florida. We're the boring state of nothing but
And
fireworks.
the ones that do it around our house, they're doing it
Illegally. You know what's funny? Is we see most of them come from the sheriff's house.
I don't know if that, but I bet they got the stuff across state line. They got them in Georgia.
Probably.
Here, and then brought them back home.
Yep. Most likely.
Ooh, that's a nice one.
It keeps sending emails, so it makes it want to blink.
Alright, he's getting ready for another one. Of course, he's gonna
Yes, we are.
put the cylinder back up. Stand it back up.
Hey, now that there's a light, I can zoom in on him and show people what it is like here in Georgia.
Alright, here we go. Gonna light it.
Light it. Yep.
It's lit.
It's lit.
Here we go, get ready.
Yes!
I like that one.
I don't know. I hope I got that.
I got the last two on video.
Well, I got this on video, so I can pause it and screenshot it whenever I need.
That's one right when it first popped. That's the way to do them on video. Yep. Yeah, I just got it right when it first started to pop.
Yeah.
Well, I'm videotaping everything right now. This is my vlog for today. I'm not even kidding. This is my vlog.
I have everything in the world video.
Christmas Eve in Georgia. It's the most amazing thing in the world.
Christmas Eve fireworks. I'm Georgia, yes.
Yes. Woo! It's 4th of July every day now.
They shoot them off up here for no reason whatsoever other than they can.
That's the way to have it, right?
I'm seriously gonna move up to Georgia. I'm gonna be living up here, okay? I'm gonna be a gamer, and I'm gonna be living in Georgia, so I can fire fireworks whenever I want to.
Here we go.
Yep, here we go.
Here we go. It's lit.
Whoop. Yep. What was that noise I made though?
Well, that had like
I got
the.
that one, and I think I did.
Yeah. Woo! I'm totally screenshotting that.
I'm hitting the wrong button. I'm taking them individual and I should just pause it.
I didn't get that one.
All I'm doing is I'm taking a video of it, and then later on I'm just gonna pause it and I'm gonna screenshot it. Awesome. Awesome, yeah. Seriously, the title of my vlog for today will be whatever day today is. What's today?
24th.
Yeah, but what's today?
Christmas
Saturday.
Eve, Saturday the 20th.
Saturday. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna make it Saturday vlog.
Remember.
Christmas Eve fireworks in Georgia.
Here we go.
Oh! That one went way up.
Wow.
Oh.
No, here, I didn't do the hickey, but it drawed in there for me.
Oh, that's cute. Look at that.
Do you see the smoke
Show her
coming down?
what you done. Oh.
It went.
Awesome.
I don't know why it does that. But see, I didn't get it. It didn't keep it.
No, didn't keep it.
When it does do that, it won't keep it.
Wow.
And that was perfect right when it exploded. But it does that a lot with a bright light.
I am enjoying this. This is the most perfect day of my life so far. I love seeing things explode. That is my meaning in life. No? Don't agree?
Hey.
Too funny to agree?
Yeah, I'm still laughing. Yep. It's lit.
Yep.
It's lit.
Here we go. Oh!
That one was Christmas.
That was Christmas colors! Awesome!
You get it?
Nope.
That was Christmas colors. You get it?
I'll send you a screenshot of my video from it.
I didn't get that one either, darn it. I could see the colors, but see, that's the thing. When we look at the camera, I'm missing half of it.
Oh. Darn.
I'm just gonna send screenshots to everyone. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pause the video and screenshot every single one.
Supposed to be point and click. Aren't they? But they're not.
The click
It should be
takes,
like the point and click on a computer screen. Just
Yeah,
it just takes too long though.
Yeah, it's like a 5-second relay before it actually takes.
Yeah, that's where you
That's
miss
why I
it.
said, screw it, I'll put mine on video. I'm just doing a video now.
Video.
That's what I'm doing too. I'm just gonna take screenshots of it once I'm done with the video.
that's a live video you're doing.
It's not live, but
I mean, it's a video. Like
yeah, it's a video.
In sound too.
Yeah, sound too.
Okay, you keep it over there.
Oh, it's lit.
Oh, blue, my favorite.
See what it done?
Your favorite color.
See, it's doing the line on it. The
Doing the
drawing.
drawing.
Because you got it on
Let's see.
drawing.
I
'Cause he's
caught
got it
it.
on drawing.
Yeah,
You got to
well,
have him take it off drawing.
it just, sometimes it'll do that when it bright light goes off. I don't know why.
Is there a way you got to get them off the drawing part? Did that get it off?
Yeah, I think that.
Okay, let's go to camera. Right.
But it didn't save it either. See? Well, when it does the drawing on there, it won't save the dadgum thing.
But it's because it's multiple windows are open or something.
LG.
Oh, LG.
Yep.
Right, there's another one that's got an LG.
Oh, it's a mess.
Oh, yeah, I remember mine.
They're
terrible.
Both, they're both of theirs are Samsung, so that's good.
Yeah.
Gotta get a Samsung, Dwayne.
Yeah, I had an LG and I had the same problem, and my phone, it completely went crazy. It just delete.
On its own, it just goes nuts.
Well, it got me mad one time. It deleted all of my photos and everything I had saved on it.
200 photos and they were good.
Yeah.
We just have to get him a Samsung and then get rid of that LG.
So I need to get him.
Oh!
That's the last
Woo!
one. And that was one of the best.
Last one is the best. Yes. A 5.
Yes! Oh, that was awesome. That was awesome.
Yeah. Which ones do you got?
Yeah, she's got the new one, the Samsung S7.
Oh, that's pretty.
Yep, I better get me a new phone then, hadn't I?
Yeah, you need a new phone.
Oh, that one was good. Is that the red and green one?
Yeah.
I don't see it.
Awesome.
That's the last one.
Wait, how did you put your video on relay?
Huh?
How did you put your video on relay? Did you just pause it in between?
Just paused it. That'd be saying.
I thought you put it on relay.
No, you just pause it
Yep.
and then play it.
Okay, well, I got all the
There's other
commentary.
ones, but they're individual.
I'm sorry. I had to for the vlog.
How'd you get yours? Did you get yours
That's
closer?
the best one.
Did you zoom in on them more
last
or what? No?
Oh, no, I kind of just
There's other
followed
ones,
them
too.
as they went up, and as soon as they cracked, I zoomed in a little bit.
Okay, then you need to stop and show me.
Okay,
You got enough
Oh.
video.
Well, what is
Yeah,
your
1,
phone?
2,
A
3.
Samsung?
yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, this is the 6.
Okay, well,
Hers is
I
the
have to do my outro.
Okay.
You know, fabulous
Yes.
me here.
Can't see your face though.
I'm spooky darkness.
There you go.
Okay.
Better.
Dwayne.
Okay, yeah, maybe that's
Turn
better
the
'cause through the
light on,
lighting.
Stand in front of her and shine it on her. Phone light on. Yeah, she's doing an intro to her.
All right, there you go.
Outro.
Outro.
Outro to my vlog.
Just lay it on the trailer, babe. Well, say it on bumper. I'll get it in a minute.
That's cute.
Well, my hand's cold. I'm
Yeah, right now I'm creepy shadow person.
No.
That's funny. That was good.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Ah!
That's pretty. You can really see her. That's good.
Yay! Hello! Okay, guys, so this was Christmas Eve in Georgia. This will be my vlog for today. If you guys liked, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace!